Hi viewers,
Today, let's learn how to multiply fractions.
first multiply your numerator with your numerator. So 5 times 3 will give us 15. And then multiply denominator to denominator. 6 times 10 will give you 60. We can simplify each other. So 5 goes into 15, 3 into 60, 12. It can still divide. 3 goes into itself 1 and into 12 4 times. So our final answer is 1 all over 4. Then we multiply 3 whole number. 1 over 2 times 2 whole number, 1 over 4. First of all, change your mixed number to improper fraction. 3 times 2 plus 1 will give us 7 over 2. And then multiply by 2 times 4 plus 1, which is going to give us 9 over 4. So we multiply out. 7 times 9 will give us 63, and 2 times 4 is going to give us 8. So we divide. 8 goes into 63 7 times, remainder 7 all over 8, and that's our answer.